D-Man here. So today, in this video at least, I'm trying something a little different. I decided let's do a vlog. So let's see what happens today. I just woke up, don't mind my appearance. Well, I didn't just wake up, I just haven't took a shower yet. Yeah. Alright, on to the next scene. Alright, huge shout out to my brother-in-law Steve for making me this custom knife case, all recycled wood. His first time using the logo etching machine. I believe it's a laser printer, something to that nature. Recycled pallet wood. This glass has been to the war, yes. He's a retired veteran, and I went overseas to various locations. So he knows I like knives, and yeah, he just surprised me with this. So I laid some of my units in here. Here's an oldie I made. Damascus titanium carbon fiber overlay. Another one I made. Anyways, this is not about the knives. It's about the case. But of course, the case says DMKusa, so I have to show a few knives with DMKusa, right? Yeah. Yeah, Steve, thanks again. Did an amazing job. I can't shut this with one hand. Ah, yeah. Chop-proof, huh? Sweet. By the way, you guys want to check him out? I don't know if he's got any social media pages going on. I don't think so, but he will in the future. Right there. Can't zoom in, but it says Sturgeon Woodworking. Unfortunately, I got to get rid of my #1 fan. I got to sell her. Alright, let's see. Place that here. I like showing people that my equipment works. So I have this inverter here. And yeah, it's been working out great for that occasion. Well, it's not mainly for that. It's for my setup in here. Alright, let me plug this in real quick and leave it in so I can display that. See, now so basically I have it plugged in, and all I gotta do is hit that twice and it'll power on and start spinning. Yeah. Now to go meet the person. Give the magic spin.
Second, yeah.
Should go faster, be careful.
Yes, sir.
Right there it is. There's no on and off switch.
No.
Alright, as you heard, it's all set. Got the 20. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna go that way, I guess. To make some food. That came out pretty good, huh? With some pita bread, and of course, water and decaf coffee. Let's dig into it. I forgot something, but I'll do it next time. Celery sticks. And I had it in mind to do it, but I'm over here videoing. I forgot all about it. I think these are what? Tortilla chips, something like that. Pretty healthy. Low sodium. Pardon me. These here are onions, pickled onions. I put them in vinegar along with some, I forgot the name brand. I think it's called Carlo Rossi. It's a Portuguese wine, Burgundy. And then, yeah, tuna, low sodium, of course, with mixed lettuce. And of course, some onions. Overloading on onions. Oh yeah. Normally I would have added the celery sticks, but I forgot about it. And I have a fresh batch. The onions just give it that little kick. Very good. It's pita bread, very low on sodium as well. This diet, very healthy for your kidneys and your heart. The key is not to overeat large amounts. All right, I'm going to go ahead, continue eating this, and we'll be back. All right, it is time to sharpen my knife. What do you think about that? Man, it's hot out here. Just got it not too long ago. It's a Magna Cut steel. I want to get this thing nice and polished, this edge. So let's do that. Yeah. I'm going to go with 800 grit first. Man, the stone is drying up really fast. I did soak it for a while. It's just so hot out here. Wow, it really is. That's crazy. Yeah. All right, let's do this. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. And now the big boy. This one here is a 6,000 grit. Just gonna go over the top real quick. Because I abuse this stone. I abuse this stone. I'm not gonna lie.
Alright, there we have it. Oh yeah, a lot better. This side came out really nice. This side, it's down here. That's where they sharpened. I think they went a little too aggressive there. Then they went light here. Yeah. But you know what? Super sharp, however. Aside the appearance, she's going to be a very lovely performer. Let me go ahead and clean this up. That way it's ready for the next time I use it. And I'm going to get that machine, the 1x30, with the belt, with the leather belt on there. Get that going. Just polishing it up, and yeah. So what they did was they started off here on the belt grinder, okay, and then as they came here, they dug in a little harder, and then came back up and went lighter from here on to the rest of the blade, onto that tip. So from the console to the tip, very uneven. There's a bit of a gouge here. So now I have a dip here, so that's why that's like that. This side did a decent job on this side. It's all even because the stone told me that. My stones are flat. Okay, here nothing, and I can tell by eye that right there I missed. There's a spot there I missed with the stones. So, and when I look down the line, you know, when I'm looking down from the console going down, I can see by eye that there is a gouge there with the lines of the belt that they used, if that makes sense. So yeah, I could fix that. Like I said, I would have to take away material, which I don't want to do.
All right, all freshened up. Man, it was hot in that garage. So thank you for coming in, checking out this quick vlog, basically a test. Do you like this type of format? Do you like this type of thing? You let me know down below in the comment section. Also, please be sure to leave me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. It would help out the channel tremendously. And yeah, we'll talk some more. It was actually fun doing this type of video. Made me think a bit. So it was a bit of a challenge. Maybe I can improve. Maybe I can do it daily. If I had enough viewers, maybe we can get to that point. If not, maybe I'll do 1 per week, 2 per week, 3 per week. What would you want? I have some other stuff going on, some refurbs. I would like to get back on track with knife repairs. I have quite a bit of them laying around. They need to get fixed, but I don't know. Just my health, you know. So I'm picking and doing things that is easier on me, if that makes any sense. I don't want to overstress myself body-wise. It's really pretty bad. Fighting 3 diseases at once: heart, kidneys, and immune deficiency. So yeah, shout out to all those 3. Yeah. All right, so with that being said, thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. You guys and gals have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.